Hey you guys, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day design for you on an 18 by 24 chalkboard. I'm going to be using our vintage truck and our vintage truck add-on transfer from Chalk Couture. Now the vintage truck is a two-piece transfer, so as you're going to see I'm doing here, this is the first layer. I'm going to be using our white Chalkology chalk paste on this, so I'm just going to apply my chalk paste, and then once I remove the transfer I'm going to put it in water so that I can clean it up later, and then I'm going to let this dry. So I'm going to continue on with the rest of the project. So I'm going to be doing the loads of luck at the top. Now the loads of luck, I'm going to be doing something called an ombré effect, and all that means, as you saw there, is I'm blending the two colors together. So I applied the elephant gray and the white, and then I just took my finger and I did a circling motion across the middle of the middle of the words where the colors meet. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing on the word luck, except I'm going to be using our evergreen, our lime green, and our mint green. So now I'm going to go ahead, because the bottom part of the truck is dry, and I'm going to apply the top layer. And this is my favorite part of this transfer because the design turns out so beautiful. Look at that. This truck transfer is amazing, and it's actually one of our most popular transfers that we have at Chalk Couture. So now I'm just going to continue with the rest of the shamrocks. Now the vintage truck add-on transfer is really great because you can change out your board for each and every season. Now remember, all of our transfers are reusable and all of our Chalkology paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So as long as you don't seal your project, you can absolutely change this out for each season. There's Easter eggs, there's hearts, there's flowers, there's the word farmhouse if you just wanted to do the truck. So there's so many different designs you could create with just these two transfers alone. And I'm going to show you here in a second. I did this board for Valentine's Day, and now I did one for St. Patrick's Day. So you guys, this one transfer alone just created two different designs, and there's so much more I can do. So if you want to reach out to me, my website is chalkinwithjen.com. If you'd like to learn more about being a customer, hosting your own make and take, or learning more about the business opportunity with Chalk Couture, I'd love to share more with you. I hope you love this design and have a great day.